Can't wait to meet you. So join the animatronic family. We open real soon. Try your best to hold on to sanity. Come get to know me. And you won't wanna leave after tonight. Down here we're lonely. And we would love you to join us for a ride. You've been through 20 long, frightful nights. You've seen their faces, felt all their plights. You know our show is so far from over. And Freddie told us you're an organ donor. All eyes are on you. We can walk you through all of our fantasy, learn what we've gone through. We can teach you to love the tragedy. You thought the nightmares and the biggest remedies. We're all still writing, so let's get funny. We're feeling festive. Join the party, we'll try hard not to bite. Anger is restless. Don't hold it against us, we're alright. The party's started. A celebration lasting family. I'm always watching, because somebody purple murdered me. We'll be found down deep underground. What have I done to deserve this damnation? Who knows if you're the one to blame? 'Cause we don't even know your name. But you're here now, and we've got temptations. We're only playing, just wanted to make a few new friends. You plan on staying. When you're with us, the party never ends. You might look at me and think you're going crazy. I lost it long ago, you're not alone, baby. Can't wait to meet you. So join the animatronic family. We open real soon. Try your best to hold on to sanity. Come get to know me. And you won't wanna leave after tonight. Down here we're lonely. And we would love you to join us for a ride. And we would love you to join us.
When she falls hard, and her eyes fill up with stars, fill up with stars. But it's a false start, a cop car. What's a race without a car? Without a fast car. Running your stats while you're forming opinion. Power leveling through a rift in the algorithm. Oh, you thought I wanted was some love and affection, but pull the blind back and I'll show you the system. I can't be killed with conventional weaponry. Now you're trying with emotional surgery. I hear you caught with the sense of emergency. Everyone dies but me. I'm sorry, 'cause you know I got all night. Please wake me up. I want to touch, it's pure corruption. Can't get enough. I wanna get every satisfaction. With your X with the cross through your chest like the beat of a heart. And you got nothing left. Do you know who you are? Do you talk to the stars? If the cake is a lie, I'll be there in by the PED now.
Ladies!
Hello. Hello, hello, hello.
Hi, everybody. Oh my god, Witchy, congratulations on getting here first. Hell to the yeah. Hi. I'm so happy to be back, y'all. How is everybody? How are the things? Hi, Shrine. Hi, Bean. How are you, my lovelies? Hi, Miss Mayhem. How are you? Hello, Shiva. Would you like to join in on the activities? Oh, thank you so much, Witchy. I appreciate you. I hope you've been having an okay time. Did y'all have a good week? How was your weekend? Miss Mayhem. Hey, Witchling, you look amazing. Aw, thank you.
Ladies.
I had to get all fancy for my comeback stream, right? So here are my nails. I have one bloody nail. Isn't it fancy? So I'll go like... And then I have my spooky eyebrows because it's obviously Halloween. Hell yeah, you landed. Woo!
Ladies.
Hi, Adam. How are you? Adam says hi. Specifically to you. No, that doesn't mean come over here. You can stay over there and be said hi to, okay? Miss Mayhem, those blood drops look so good on those nails. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. I tried to use stickers and they did not work for me. So I literally used a fucking brush. It wasn't that size though. It was this size. It's all fucked up because of my painting of it, but yeah. Isn't that wild? It takes so much practice. Like I didn't do it like on the first try, so don't worry. Hi, Shiva. Like the hag failed to lick one finger clean. Literally. I mean, how could she be so thoughtless? Okay, I'm gonna play some 2v8 today, y'all. We're playing Survivor. We're just gonna go with the vibe. And just hang out and see how everybody's doing when we're all feeling and doing and the stuffing. Hi, Shrine. Serving cunt per usual.
Ladies.
We do like serving cunt over here in the Witchling manor. Oh, Shrine, did you see my fingers? Because I got all spooky for the season, obviously. And only one of them has blood drips because, you know, we're on a budget. No, I'm just kidding. I actually couldn't find my other black nail. Witchy, I'm having a good weekend. I was supposed to play D&D today, but I had a migraine earlier. It's still there, but dull now. Oh, I'm so sorry that you're dealing with that. I'm hoping that it goes away quickly. I mean, it's been there all day, but hopefully it continues to dull and lessen until it is in no existence. Try, they look so good. Thank you. Thank you. I'm putting out my fishing rod for compliment and I'm reeling them in.
Is it gay? Yes.
I love that. That one's new. I have another new one, but I don't think it's for y'all.
Well, they got Miguel. They got Miguel.
There we go. They got Miguel.
Well, they got Miguel. They got Miguel. They got Miguel.
I got Miguel. There we go. Hell yeah. Bean, hi. I've missed you too. It's so good to be back, y'all. Witchy, I hope your weekend has been going well. It has been. Definitely better than this week. My days have just kind of like slowly gotten better, which I guess is why we do that thing called giving ourselves time. I need to be taught that lesson like every 5 seconds to give myself a break. Bean, Shrine, are y'all playing DB Dussy today? Would you like to play some 2v8? You don't have to, but I'm gonna click your button. Does that sound bad? But it is actually like stunning to me, like how different you can feel one day to the next. Witchy, I'm gonna lurk, friend. Sounds wonderful. Thank you so much for being here. I hope your migraine continues to go away. Please, please, please take care of yourself. Are you staying hydrated? I'm sure your brain wants some H2O juice. Shiva nabbed new and quality earbuds, both for stream and DVD. Hell yeah! That's exciting. Yay! Hi, Bean. You look so cute. That's Shrine. Oh my god, I love it. That's so funny. Are you not a killer main? I have doubts. Hi, that's right. That's so funny. Oh really? How has that been going? Hi, puppy. How are you? It's good to see you. It's been a hot minute. I saw that you had a stream at some time in the past. Hi, Stepbro. How dare you? And not you getting it in before the match starts. I mean, oh no, I don't have time to switch. How are you doing, Stepbro? How is your weekend? I've been watching some movies and TV shows. It's been really fun. We've been trying to get some killer achievements done. Ooh, that's fun to be like achievement hunting on 2v8. That's slay. Who are the killers of choice? Oh. Aw. I don't believe that for a second. Who was Bean playing? That is so funny. Also, will y'all let me know if any of the volumes are funky? Hi, Unicorn. Stepbro, not you automatically know who I was gonna say to pick. Am I supposed to like have amnesia between streams where I forget this Laurie Strode curse? This Laurie Strode cycle that I live in. You know? You know? And your weekend is going good? I'm glad to hear it. Glad to hear it. Let's do it, ladies. Will I get a flashlight save tonight? Oh, it's Blight. Yes, Deborah, and my weekend is going good. I'm glad to hear it. Have you done anything fun or has it been chill? I hope it's been chill. Oh my god! What? Where did he come from? I'm so sad. Hi, P-Dids. Welcome in. How are you? How are you doing, my love? Bean, it's surprisingly gone pretty well. It's nice that we can help each other do them. I've been really liking Huntress, actually. Oh! The way I'm like, wow, a game with 2 Huntresses? That would be crazy. Seems sus. Not the Poopapalooza. I hope everything's okay. And no worries, no worries. This is only the first game. Ooh, gotta show some skin. Laura, you can spelunk in caves, but you can't do a generator? Okay. Yeah, can you believe it, P-Dids? So you really owe us a lot of games tonight. Like, you're not going anywhere. You have to pay off this debt. He's here. Why can't I expose him? Like, why isn't he going away? Ah! Uh-oh. Debt for life. That is a lot of games. How many total games do you think people have played? I wonder. Shiva, not enough time playing Dig Dug. Who's Dig Dug? And what is Dig Dug? Sounds like a newfangled drug. I'm sorry. Old stand-up arcade game. Oh, cool. That's awesome. No, you bad boy. I wanted to take that for her. Shiva, you played with quarters on a CRT TV? Damn. Or CRT screen. Damn. Are you emulating it, or do you have it somehow? Do you have a giant arcade game in your living room? You can do that in The Sims. They were selling a arcade game at Costco. Like a literal like arcade pinball game thing. And I was like, I wonder how many people go for that. Do you have space for that in your room? Oh my god. I am so sorry to this Laura, to everybody else in my life. No! No. What? Somebody save the Laura. She's on death hook. Shiva, I just told everyone how old I am, didn't I? I mean, if they want to look it up. And you never said that you played it when it was first released in, you know, the 1800s when video games were invented. Hey, Macarena. Ba-da-doo. Damn. Uh-oh. What? Damn it. You know what that is? A bag of baloney shit. And y'all know how I feel about baloney and how it shits. And my fan. Oh, look at that. Oh. Uh-oh. Which one's which? Wow, they got picked up in sync. That's cray-cray.
Marshmallow in the house. Now put a
Oh my
burger
gosh.
in my mouth.
Hi, Gothmoth. How are you? Thank you for the follow. How are you doing tonight? How's your Saturday? How is the everything? Ah! Didn't mean to run into that box. Oops. I thought it was going to be a Lucky Lori game, but I suppose not. Oh my gosh, Shrine! Yes! Please! Yes! Hell yeah!
And sis, that's tea.
Goth, you're most welcome. Always happy to support a fellow DVD player. I'm doing well. How are you today? I'm doing okay. I don't know why I said it weird like that, but I'm doing okay. It was a shitty week, so having an okay weekend is just fine for me. That was my first game of DBD tonight, and it was really fun. I'm already off to a good start. Are you playing DBD tonight? I hope your games are going well if you are. I'm really behind on the Rift this time around, and so I'm trying to rectify that and catch up. Yay, Scorps! Oh my gosh, I almost have or wait, did I finish her outfit or is it still going? Oh, I'm almost done with her outfit. I have half of it. Well, I almost have half of it. My God. That was a great escape. That was stellar. P-Dids, are you on the PC? It seems like you are. Is it weird having your computer up all the time? Also, do you like to go by Goth or Moth? Or do you like the full name, Goth Moth? Ooh, that's a cool Pokemans. But anyways, Moth, I was earlier, but it's super late, so I'll be continuing tomorrow. The games today were great. I'm so glad to hear that. I feel like day to day, it's kind of like hit or miss on whether the games are going to be amazing, whether they're going to be awful. Sometimes there's an in-between day, but, you know, we'll take the good ones. It's like you have to catch the days when the killers are also in a good mood. Any is fine by me. Sounds good. Also, when it is not 2v8 time, are you a killer main or a survivor main? Personally, I'm more of a survivor main these days, and it pains me to say it because I miss being a killer main in certain ways. Being able to say I'm a killer main was cool. That was about the only perk of it. But I play Survivor a lot more now because I find it much less taxing, more relaxing, less hard on the brain. But when I play Killer, I play Nurse. I love me my Nurse.
Nurse!
You're a killer main? Ooh. That's awesome. Who do you prefer? Do you prefer a specific type of killer like stealth, chainsaw, teleport, etc.? Or do you like specific killers individually? Are there any killers you won't play? I have a million questions. And feel free to answer none of them, all of them, or whichever. Who is the killers? Oh, that's Scorps. Ooh. Those are great choices, Goth. No, I thought she wouldn't see me. I love the artist. She is so fun, and my goal is always to injure people from a distance with birds. And Trickster, I love Trickster. He could be frustrating to go against, but overall I think he's a great guy. A great killer. I think he's a sexy guy. If I'm not gonna play Nurse, I'll play Hag, Spirit, Artist, Dredge. Yeah. I have never played a chainsaw killer. I should probably change that. Ah! I thought she was going around for sure. I hate my everything. Did you know that? That I hate my everything? Because I do. You heard it here first, y'all. I hate my everything. Not the judging look from P-Dids. Y'all like my outfit? It's my like pre-Halloween outfit. While also being spooky, you know? Like my eyebrow oopsies. You better finish healing me or so help me. I don't have dead hard. Although I wish I did. What? I can't believe that. I cannot. That was a bag of baloney shit. As you all are aware. They would have gotten to me so fast. Uh-oh. It's like they weren't sure if they were gonna hook me or break the pallet or leave me. They seemed very perturbed. When it gets down to 4 or 5 gens, do people feel like, oh my god, now it's like a regular game with 8 survivors and 2 killers? It's the same. Oh, this is what it looked like at a Costco. They have one of these. Do you always call those pinball machines? Or are they like arcade machines, arcade games? Because I guess I've always referred to those as pinball machines. Remember that pinball game that came with your computer a long time ago? Yes! Hell yeah! I did it! I got the save! I'm gonna die. What was that? That was silly. Oh, that was great. Those survivors, like, scrammed like I was the killer. Yay. Oh, there's only 1 gen left. I see. Hi, KJ. Thank you for the
Ladies.
redemption. How are you? How was your weekend? How is everything? This could save somebody's life, you know. Ah, like mine! I'm the fool. Somebody please. Don't worry, I have power struggle. What? Away. Aw, thanks for trying. Heinz beans. They got flash banged. Flash boost. I'll be right back, y'all. I'm gonna run to the bathroom while the game's ending.
Ladies.
Okie dokie, I'm back. KJ, hey, and I'm good. I'm gaming with B, and Nugget is watching LOL. Aw, oh, with B, oh my god, with Bay. How's that going? And I hope you're doing well, KJ. What game are you playing? Are you playing DBD? Check the Sharing Things channel. Okie dokie. Also, hi, I'm Shy. Oh, that looks amazing. KJ, it's going good. We're playing Killing Floor 3. Ooh. Never heard of that. Maybe I have. I don't know. How are you, Matt? I'm doing all right. I'm doing much better than I was this week. It was a rough week. But I'm glad to be back. Very happy to be back. No! No! But I'm doing all right tonight. We're hanging in there. We're doing it one day at a time. All the things. And the etceteras. You know how it is with the etceteras. Oh, not you being caged right next to a hook. A hook, oh my god, a hatch. Damn. Ooh, a beautifly. Spend some blood points. Hi, honey. Thank you for the lurk, my love. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I hope you're having a lovely weekend. Oh, I forgot. I was like, I wish you could skip to like level fucking.
Ladies.
Oops, didn't mean to do that. Did I get any party streamers? What the heck? Oh yeah, I did. I got two. Hey, yeah. Okay. Party streamers. Howling Horcrux. I think that's what that is. Let's see, where's my sable outfit? What sable outfit do I have?
Not again.
Oh, I don't have the top yet, I forgot. I know we lost a survivor. That never happens. We did. Shrine. Scorp's Beam. Okay. We lost another survivor. We did. Shrine. Scorp's Beam. Okay. Ah, we lost the Horcrux. Now I'll never know. I shall never know. That's fine. I'll select class. 'Tis fine. Ooh, there's gonna be an ad after this game, y'all. Just so you know. I forgot I went with this hat. I love that. Hi, Karma. How are you? Happy weekend. How's your Saturday? You're doing well? I'm glad to hear it. I'm glad to hear it. And it's been good? Yay! That's even better. Have you had a busy weekend or a lazy weekend? Oh, it's a window. I'm surprised he didn't stay there. Didn't he see that I was being foolish? Monstera was here yesterday and overnight. I hope that was a nice time. I love that he went home, period. It's so final. Well, I hope he made it home okay. Wow, did they make it foggier? Because it seems foggier for the green one. Oh, I wonder if Built to Last works on that item. Ooh, y'all, I finally finished catching up on the show From. Oh god, it's so good. If anybody is able to watch it, you should. It's just so impossible to find because it's on like what, AMC Plus or something. Haha! No! What the heck just happened? Karma's spent time with the Hubs, and now the Hubs is getting ready to fly to Mexico for work this week. Mexico? Hopefully they get some downtime to do some cool, fun Mexico stuff. Do they get a chance to be a tourist at all? How long are they gonna be there? I hope they have safe travels. The matches are going well. I'm having fun. This is our third match, I think. It's going well. Karma, just this week, he goes about 4 times a year. He has a team there. Oh, damn. Ah! I thought that was a survivor. Karma, how are you, Matt? I'm doing all right. I'm doing much better than I was this week. It was a real shitty week. But today has been not too shabby. Thank you for asking and for checking in on me and for supporting me. I love you all. Ouch! She knows my shenanigans. I also watched a movie called The Host, I think. Or just Host, I'm not sure. I thought it was gonna be one movie, turns out to be another movie. And it was so good. It was so entertaining. What are you humming? Are you humming that you're gonna join? You're gonna play all these games with me? Yay! Shrine? Die? It did? Ah! KJ likes to shout out all our friends. Maybe you carry and present yourself like you're a streamer. Ever thought of that? Oh my god! They just got taken out. No, my back. But also you should start streaming. I know you were thinking about it. Oh well. Also, the ad is starting. And it was right at the end. Gosh darn it. Karma, I love that. I mean, KJ, I love that. But also Karma, I love that. Run, P-Dids. No, not right in the booty. Ooh, P-Dids out here having a flashlight. They really do, KJ. They really do. I get confused. Because there's like KJ, JJ, AJ, BJ, because we like to talk about blowjobs, obviously. So it's really hard, okay? Ooh, wink. Get it? It's really hard. Ooh, there's 2 licensed perks in the shop. You should get them if you don't have them. Merciless Storm is great. I don't know about Hysteria. Let's see. Whenever a healthy survivor becomes injured by any means, all injured survivors suffer from oblivious. Ooh. That's kind of nice. That would be good on Nurse. I don't know why I don't run that. Probably because I think of it differently. Karma, I'm really thinking about it. I'm not a great gamer, but I don't know. Who would want to watch me game? Well, that's not up to you, is it? All you can do is put yourself out there. Because I asked myself the same question. And then also, generally, people tend to go to streams for the person, not the game. Depending on what kind of stream you are. I don't know. Do people come to my stream to watch my amazing Survivor gameplay?
And sis, that's tea.
Yeah, being successful at it as a survivor is really satisfying. Where's my sexy man? KJ, who said you gotta be great? I'm a bot on most games. Nah, not a bot. Well, in DBD, the bots are better than most players. But I make up for it by being silly. You could do it, Karma. Everyone gotta start somewhere. Exactly. And you'll find your thingy-majig when you get in the loop of it. That makes no sense. I don't know what I'm saying. Thank you. Thank you, thank you.
Ladies.
I also did my nails. And I have one bloody one because, you know, I only scratch people with one nail. We're obviously here for the eyebrows. Now, I could believe that. No, y'all are here for light, and that's the true tea.
And sis, that's tea.
Another huntress. What? Who? Huh? Do you think if I stand here, they'll think I'm one of the mannequins? I mean, I'm sure there are some streamers out there who are like, it may not be so much about their personality as much as it is their skill at the game. But in terms of like DBD and the kind of games that you've been playing, it's much more about hanging out, being casual and silly. If you like to do that, you don't have to be silly on your stream. You can be super serial. Well, you know where I'm at if you ever need to you need help with OBS or something. Karma, serial killer. I love that. I am a serial killer in that way. I'll murder the fuck out of some Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Whoops. I'm sorry, Jane. Ah, my back. KJ, un momento. Got baby in my arms while I'm playing. I guess she wanted a closer look. Aw, I love that. She's like, I can't tell what the hell is going on. Can I get closer? Can you get a bigger screen? That's the nugget. Karma, I don't need cereal. I eat the whole box in a sitting. Do you mean you don't need a bowl? Or you just eat... You don't eat the cereal, you just eat the box. That's funny. I don't need cereal. I just need the box. Yum, yum, yum. Yay! Aw, he left me. He got mad. I like how pretty it tastes. The more ink on that box, the happier you are. Ouch! Haha! Haha! Thank you, Bean. They are good with their hatchets, right? Uh-oh. Ouch! She's so done with my shit. It's redonkulous. Karma, last night we were playing with players who just kept acting like idiots. Aw, like your teammates? At least if I was there, you would know who the teammate is who's acting like a fool. No! I'm so cuckoo.
Show me the gay.
I'm out of control, okay? Oh, they were acting like bots? Oh, damn. Karma, do you subscribe to AMC Plus? If you do, you should watch the show From. Oh, you watched the Boulay Brothers on there? Oh. Well, if you're into horror, I highly recommend From. I love that show. I hope they didn't get... I hope they got renewed for a 4th season. If you ever watched Lost, Do you watch or do you subscribe to Shudder? Being Dragula is so good. I've heard it is. I need to get down to watching it. I tried to watch like one of the first 3 or 4 seasons and it's real gritty. I see. Okay, Shudder. Okay. I don't know if From is on Shudder. Oh, it's part of the AMC subscription. I got you. I got you. I can't believe you don't get points for that. Am I doing it for my health? Actually, kind of. Karma, that's it. It's part of the MC subscription. They do some filth. Real filth. I love your trash. Do you think she sees us? You fool. Emu. Phew. These gates are too close together. Drag, horror, glam, filth. I wanted to watch the season that Jade Jolie was on because of the Drag Race connection, because obviously I love Jade on Drag Race. I loved how much they edited her goddamn laugh. Ah! My booty. Oh, whale. I love the little hand wave they do. P-Dids, you're being a hero. It makes it look like you have 6 keys on you. Yay! No, Bean! No, no! My precious Bean, no. That's so sad. Not them coming to save you and you're dead as hell. Do people not look at the hook states? There's Bill. So close yet so far away, literally. JJ is doing. I see Monstera's on. What have you decided? Just turned on the PS5. Hell yeah. Well, you're welcome to join us if you'd like. I love it, Nicolas Cage. I'm like, it's inspired me to be Nicholas.
Ladies.
Hi, no one. How are you? How's your weekend going? How's your night? Ben. How's it going? Not too shabby. We're doing all right. Much better than this week. This week was a piece of crap. But she's in the past and she's dead to me. I don't know her. Are you playing DBD tonight, no one? Well, get used to it. You're in Purgatussi. Uh-oh. Ah, no! I tried to throw the pellet. Uh-oh. Damn you. I can for sure, just not yet, though. Okie dokie, no worries, no one. That was a quick first hook.
On a hook. Here. Need some help.
You're not on a hook, Nick. Get out of your delusions. You're just on another film set. It's just not Union. Oh my gosh, she's really chasing me. Did she give up yet? Are we gonna make a full circle? No one. Guess who's trying to fix their sleep again? Ooh. Best of luck to you. Uh-oh. Well, I hope your fixing of your sleep schedule is going well. I feel like that's a long-term goal. It's a work in progress, you know. Can I look at a gen yet? No one. If only melatonin was legal here, my life would be a lot easier. It's not even legal in the UK? Why not? Is it giving people cancer? Sleep cancer? Cancer of the sleep. I'm gonna die! You have to get it prescribed. Oh. People overuse it. I wonder if it's like, I don't know. People get drowsy and do some crazy shit. Oh my god, can I just get a flashlight for 5 seconds? Oh. Are you doing the Discord? I can. I have Discord open for that purpose. And then I have my hands blowing up gens for that purpose. Ah! Is that the best you've got? JJ, I saw you sent me an invite. Sorry, bad brain day. I might try again in a little. No worries, no worries. Let me know if you're up for playing at all tonight. You're more than welcome to join. But I'm sorry it hasn't been a good brain day. I know how that feels. So give yourself the time, the grace, the patience, the weed. Do you want to see my eyebrows and my nails?
Ladies.
So I have these eyebrows.
Is it gay? Yes.
And then got my nails. I only have one with the blood, but it is what it is. Slay, thank you. No one, that sound, I love it. Isn't it great? I added that like today. I added a second one too.
Well, they got Miguel. They got Miguel.
They got Miguel. That's literally me with this huntress. And you want those nails? Yay! That means I'm doing something right. I really like the blood ones. The drippy drips. You know how I like to drip. No, and I should get nails done for Halloween, but scary. Yes, you should. That'd be so fun. Whee! If I could afford it, I would do it, but I can try to make my own, which I will. My nails are slowly growing back. No, and I've never gotten my nails done though. Are you nervous about it? Because it is a very nice experience. It's like getting a manicure is also like getting an arm massage, which is also very nice. An arm and a hand massage. Why is this gay guy here? Especially in 2025, I feel like they must get a lot of men in there. Sad. No, that's even more sad. No. I'll take that. Are any of the doors open? I suppose so, because the thing's counting down. Oh. Where's the door? Run! No! No one. I might have to go with my bestie. I don't know if I'm ready for that experience alone. I mean, that's fair. I've never gone alone. I always go with a friend who knows the experience better. And it's like the people aren't like haircut people where they're trying to talk to you and gossip and hear about your day. But yeah. And they do like your nails, your cuticles, they like lotion and massage your hands. Pete, it's no.
Is it gay? Yeah. Yes.
Hi, Senpai, how are you? They have me to where I cannot move. As a slug? Or that's how you got downed? Not Pickles Cage saying that scared them. Nothing scares Pickles Cage. You'll join? Yay! Peta is like body blocked into a corner. That's shitty. I'm sorry they did that yet. Have they let you out of it yet? Because that's bullshit. Hi, Miss Mentally. How are you? Thank you for the water redemption. Which, speaking of water, I'm gonna run to the bathroom. Oh, do you want to try inviting me to the party? Or I can try remaking the lobby. What am I doing? Let's see, will it let you in? Did it let you in, Karma? Okay, it did, okay. Miss Mentally, how are you? I'm doing all right. Let's Let's see. Oh, for Bean, it's giving you trouble? Oh my gosh. Why does it have to be like this? Does somebody want to try inviting me? JJ, your eyebrows are giving me life right now. Aw, I'm so glad that you like them. Okay, I'm joining Shrines. Okay, let's see. Karma, see if you can get in this lobby. Okay. Seems like people are staying. Who are we missing? Bean, Karma, Montserrat, Shrine. Is that everybody? Oh yeah, Scorps. It is a crime that I don't have them on my friends list. Finally, there we go. Okay, I'm readying up. And now I'm gonna run to the bathroom. Yes, if y'all aren't following JJ or Shrine or P-Dids or Witchy or Senpai, please follow them. Okay, BRB before the game starts.
Is it gay? Yes.
Ladies.
I said I would be back before the game start, and I totally did that. Totally. Ooh, it's like the first Billy I've been against in like 7 years on 2v8. No, Karma, I'm so sorry. Oh. No, I was coming to get you.
Is it gay?
Run. Aha! Ah! Yay! Ah! It just like exploded. Oh! 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 That was so close! My back! My pussy and my crack! Oh, that was great. I love you too, Shrine. I love the like global sound of Oni getting stunned. Yes! I made it. Yeah. Ooh. Oh my gosh. No one. I just spilt candle wax everywhere. Are you kidding? Oh no! How did it spill? I'm sorry. Oh, you knocked it over? One time when me and my boyfriend at the time were in a hotel room, I don't know if we bought a candle or if we brought one with. I don't know. But we had a candle. And at the end of the night, I don't remember if it was me or him, but one of us went to blow it out, and it was like, we turned out all the lights already, so the only light was the candle. And so we blew it out, and in the morning, it was like fucking bloody murder. Like, there was red candle wax all over the bathroom because whoever was the one to blow it out, like, blew it really hard, like, and it blew all the wax everywhere. And it literally looked like a murder scene. It was so funny. And I was like, how could this have happened? It was so funny. So I'm sorry that you're having to deal with candle wax. P2C is at it again. No bean! No, and I love dipping my finger in candles. It's nice, right? It's a very strange sensation. I wish it wasn't so hot, though. And then your skin always feels so soft afterwards. Probably because you've burned off the top layer of skin. And now you need to exfoliate. Which the wax also kind of does. Because you have to, like, scrape it off. No! Don't do it! No. Oh, I can't believe that tree was there and I still got away. Run! Ouch! Ouch! Ah! No! Well, there goes me. P-Didz, you're out of control. Oh my gosh. I'm done counting them. Somebody else will have to count them for me. Ah, much better. Did you get rid of all your points again? Let me just spectate you doing nothing in the game. She is trying to drown me. Not the fast fall. Also, isn't that like a cell phone in your pocket? Can't you just call someone? Ooh, an Ekans. P-Didz the menace.
Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious.
No, and I really want the Beware card. What's that? It's so cute. Is that a DVD thing? Did y'all see him pull up next to P-Didz like that? Oh, it's a Pokemon. My bad. Literally, my brain first went to like a bear, like a gay bear somehow. Peters, I got away with too much. You got away with just enough, I think. No, why didn't they jump out when they had the chance? That Pokemon, I know that Pokemon. I know that Pokemon from the anime really well because it's isn't it the one that beats up Jesse all the time? Or James? I think it's James. Maybe it's James. I don't know. P. Dissy, was that your last one? P. Dids, thank you for games. Of course. Thank you for joining us. It was a lovely night of games. I hope you had a good time. Lordy Lord knows I did. Why is this Legion skin so hot? But no ass. Absolutely zero ass. P. Dids, and by yay, I meant yeah. Yeah, I need to try and get a little sleep so I'm civil tomorrow. I hate when P. Dids is civil. I love when P. Dids is ripping at the ceiling, pulling off the screens, busting the hinges. Love to P. Dids. Yes, much love to P. Dids. P. Dids has also had a shitty week. Literally and figuratively.
And sis, that's tea.
Oh, sorry, no one. I did see that, and then I unsaw it. At least another hour. My goal is to get to my 4-hour stream, but I don't want to push it. So I'm going until I'm too tired or whatever. But I feel it coming. Wink. Yeah. You'll join for the next game, yes? Yes!
Ladies.
Woohoo! Senpai, don't be like me. When you stream for 17 hours, I feel like that's not even accurate. It's more like 78 hours straight. Yeah, I don't know how you do it. Although I love it because I get to lurk in your stream all day. And you play different games, so it's not like oh, I watched 18 hours of DBD gameplay. Like, no. I watched some Marvel Rivals, I watched some DB Dussy, I watched some Supermarket Simulator where you're like a dictator. Yes, I love catching Pokemon. Pokemon and words on stream are the two things that I really cannot resist typing. I literally In anybody's stream, if they have words on stream, I'm like, but I know that answer. Let me just take that. So it's like, I always lurk with a caveat. It's like, I'm lurking unless you have one of those things, and then I'll come be active. Otherwise, I try to be active when I'm up for it. And here. Ooh, RP Dizzy, okay. Slap. No one, my partner's Pokemon collection is apparently worth 7K. Holy moly! That's awesome. And you're talking in real life? So, does that mean the Pokemon you're talking about, you want that Pokemon in real life? Or are you talking about like the Pokemon Pocket? Which, do you play Pokemon Pocket? Are we friends on there? And if not, why not? Oh, their actual card collection. That's cool. How could you not? I'm shook. I'm absolutely shooketh. Also, y'all, there will be an ad after this game. Ad is coming. Oh, you scared me. Oh, here she goes. No, and I feel like as their partner, I should have a cut, right? Absolutely. Like, did you sign a prenup? Then you're getting a cut. You're gonna take half of it in the divorce. No. Is it too hard to find a flashlight? I only have one Pokemon card that's like worth something. And it's only worth like $8. Which is a lot for one card, right? Yay! Sorry, Ada. Oh, that was you, Karma? Sorry, Karma. We can come. Boop a doop a doop. Shoot me too. Oh my god! Wow, that took a long time to blind him. Oh, I need to take a hook. So Bean and Shrine don't die. Bean, Shrine, don't die. Shrine. Damn, 2 gens at once. Whee! Remember when you couldn't activate that on command and it would just, it was like regular sprint burst where when you start running, so like all the survivors that you would run past would just suddenly start sprinting. I know they're coming. No! Gosh darn it. Like, how long is their goddamn power? Dwight is so cute, right? Isn't he? We should do Dwight next. Do him, you know. I still haven't taken a hook, goddammit. Where are the killers? Here they are. No, come back! No, no. He's coming! No, I tried. I'm so sorry. No one shirtless Dwight when. I know damn well he has a little tummy. Right? Jeff and Dwight shirtless when. They've been starving this community for too long. Boopy doopy doop. Yay, we did it! That was my first escape of the night. Everyone needs a shirtless. Absolutely. Yay, she got out. Quancy. Betty draws. They're amazing. Okay, let's get no one in here. Bean, Shrine, and I are going to go back to regular matches for a while. Thank you so much for the games. Of course. Thank you for joining me. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Yay. When did you change colors? What you talk about, Willis? I was red, now I'm gray. Are you talking about on Twitch or what? Because on Twitch, it's like, for me, you were like a bright orange, and now you're like a dark orange. Yeah, very strange. If it doesn't let you in, Karma, I'm gonna be so pissed. Oh my god, I knew it. Go ahead and invite me and I'll join you. Where did I get this hair? It's like explosion hair.
Marshmallow in the house. Now put a burger in
Oh my gosh.
Oh, hey, Marshmallow.
Hi, Betty Draws. Thank you so much for the follow. Were you the Ghost Phase or the Legion? But either way, GG's. Well played. Yeah, that was a fun game. Ghostface? Hell yeah. GG's. Well played. That was my first game of RPD tonight, so that was fun. And if you are playing more games, I hope you have good ones. Boop, boop. Betty, thank you. You too. Of course, and thank you. Thank you for stopping by and just being a lovely human. Thank you. I can't get over this Dwight hair. It doesn't even look like Dwight. No, and you had a munch box earlier? What is that?
Ladies.
Sounds like a sex act. Ladies. It sounds like a sex act.
Ladies.
There we go. This is the one I like. Not Meg's name being Dr. Massacre. I think that's how you spell massacre. Massacre. No one. It's a box from the Chinese that has like ribs, fries, spring rolls, and stuff like that. Ooh, that sounds delicious. I could go for some American style Chinese food. Hell yeah. Hi, Dwight. He's such a cutie. Oh, Nemesis. So far, I've only seen Nemesis. Somebody come get her. Oh, the other one is a Ghostface. Nope. Yes? Yeah, Ghostface. Ghostface's exposure and Wesker's infection, I feel like, are very similar. What? No! No! I was so close! Oh, he's got the kitty mask. Thinkies. Don't you want to unwrap this present? Uh-oh. Ooh, a flashlight. Hell yeah. Hi, Zach. How are you? How was the fireworks? I hope they were nice. Uh-oh. Oh my gosh. Yes! He's so loud. Too far. Ah! No, I'm sorry. I didn't mean that. I didn't mean to click. Thank you, man. Stay run. How far does Monstera live from you, Karma? Is it like a trek every time they come out? Or is it like 10 minutes away? Wow. What happened to my gen? No! Gosh darn it. That all backfired. Poopy. I'm gonna run to the bathroom again. It's almost like somebody made me drink 700 sips of water. Beardy. to get back.
Ladies.
I'll never forget when I was first meeting Monstera. And I was like, boy, is a Monstera. Oh yeah, that's from the song Teeth, right? And then like, I don't know if it was like half an hour later or something, I was like, oh my god, I'm an idiot. It's from the fucking song Monster. No, but there. That no one just left. Damn. Little bumpkin. Aw. Bye, girl. That's funny. Can't save everyone every single time. I can, but you can't. Is it shirtless time? Well, it's always shirtless time, but I don't like any of his heads. Damn. Ooh, if I play Fang, I could be Pumpkin. I like that Dwight has 2 cones on his head. That is a very boy thing to do. Got a little drip of blood on my nail. It's much more visible than I expected. Also, with it's feeling like it's gonna be a play out the hour. I am developing a headache, and I feel like it's my allergies still, because I only get, well, besides taking medicine or whatever, I get relief from like lifting my glasses off of the nose of my bridge. I mean the bridge of my nose. And I'm like, that's totally like sinus pressure shit. I got this. Whee! I can't believe how fast they got rid of it being like unlimited. Because of people like me who just used it every time it was ready. That's what I would do with it during the Halloween event.
No, it's not.
It's different.
Is this?
Yeah, it's unusual.
Nice.
Yeah, it's unusual. Hi, Red. How are you? How you doing, friend? Oh my god, I've gotten every item except a flashlight. Red, okay, just having a hard time for months. Like you're having a hard time this month? Because I also am having a struggle month, and it's like the month only just started. Fucking September. Oh, you meant months? What's going on? Damn, this Oni's out here doing shenanigans. Haha! Haha! No, come back. Red, just trying to find a job, no luck. I feel that. I'm sorry that you're dealing with that. I hope something catches soon. I guess he's not gonna hook me. Ah! I can't believe that. I can't believe that timing. I'm such a fool. Oh, Huntress. Oh. Since when is Huntress so snatched? I can't imagine. Red, I want to move, but cost me 1.2k a month. Oh, damn. I hope you're able to move. Do you have a roommate or anything? Are you trying to move? Oop. To a new state or something? Or is it just like to another place in your same town? Ah! I was like, what's that noise? Haha! Did she lose track of me? Ah, no! You and your hairy legs. Oh, okay. So you're just trying to move in the same town, and it's still that expensive. I'm so sorry. Ooh, Renato. Why do you have a shirt on? Uh-oh. Oh fuck, that last gen. Red, a city near my town, like 2 hours drive there and back. That's still... I'm sorry it's so expensive. Because that's like gas and like... Maybe you need like a fuel haul or something. Did not know you were right next to me in my bed. Oh damn, she's throwing shit. Cute Plant is mine. And the other killer's name is Cute Plant. Ah. Good for you. Isn't it?
Marshmallow in the house. Now put a burger in my mouth.
Hello, Madness. Thank you so much for the follow. Thank you, thank you. How are you doing tonight? You having a good weekend? Thank you, thank you. GG's, Mellow. GG's. Thank you for a great game. And good luck in your future matches if you're queuing up again. I wish they had this hair, but in a different color. Thank you, Mello. And thank you again for stopping in and dropping a follow. I appreciate you. That's so kind of you. And I love that emote. Oh my god. At first, I thought it was a tomato. I'm not gonna lie. But then I saw the little... I think it's a kitty in the little face. It also looks like Totoro. Kitty. Okay, I'm bringing health this time. Also, now that I'm feeling a bit better, maybe I'll stream that Cabin Factory game. Oh my gosh! Hello! Hi, Muggles! How are you? Thank you for the raid. That's so kind of you. How are you? How was your stream? Oh, you were playing Marvel Rivals, were you? How'd that go? Were you playing with Senpai? How are the rounds? They're going well. I'm having a lot of fun tonight. A lot of Huntress and a lot of Huntress kicking our booty. That's for sure. Yes, got carried by Senpai. No, no, no. You're totally... oh, it's the raid. You're an asset to the team, and Senpai couldn't do nothing without you. Wow, I got stuck. The bing bong, literally. Bing bong right up my booty. Interesting, I didn't notice that he has like earrings that connect behind his head. I'd be so scared of somebody to yank it from behind. Muggle, but gonna get some drinks for tonight. I'll tab open. And I'll be back. Sounds good. Thank you again for the raid, and for anybody else who came in with the raid. If you need to raid and run and do any stream after stream care, food, drink, water, stretchies, whatever you need, please feel free. Aha! And if you don't know me, my name is Matt, or the Witchling. I'm a DBD variety streamer. And I like to play some other spooky games from time to time, or non-spooky. Cozy, I could say. We got some Phasmo, other things. Ah! What else do I play? I have no idea. Oh, Trading Card Game Simulator. I love that game. I have played Fortnite in the past. League of Legends. I can't wait for that We Harvest Shadows game to come out fully. Aha, sucker. Is anybody recording this from the van? Did you see dots? What about ghost orbs? Kissing Kate Denson. Oh wait, that's Nia. We're doing pretty good on hooks so far. Except for me. Oh, I guess and Nia. No one. Get your creasing ass over here. There we go. Oh no, they're here! I don't wanna know. Who's the other killer? Oh, Billy. I think. That's who I bamboozled. I don't remember. No! No! Ah! Aha! Throw the pallet that isn't here! Bama, bama, bama. Would you believe it? I already have to go to the bathroom again. It's literally like fucking once per game. Okay, I'm gonna put the last few games text up and run to the bathroom.
Ladies.
Okie dokie, but yeah. I like that blue on the side of his head. Thank you, KJ. How are your games going, KJ? Is that game you're playing hard? Is it scary? There we go. You always get the pants with the most straps. Ooh. I've never seen that combo for Vittorio. That's nice. Is that Monstera? Or is that the other Vittorio? There's two Vittorios? How am I supposed to know? One of them's fully dressed, one of them's half dressed. Could be either. I like their outfit combo a lot.
Is it gay? Yes.
Yes. Hi, Meet Irony. Good luck, have fun. We're gonna all escape. It's gonna be incredible. We're gonna slay. Super Saiyan? No, we're Super Slaying. Goku can go fuck himself.
Ladies.
Okay, we got this. This is a good luck chest. It's gonna have a flashlight. First try. Because it spawned right in front of my salad. Just kidding. Huntress. And an Oni, and they're together? The fuck? Let's see, who is Meat? Or were they in our previous game? Are you Akasha? Ariana? Linky P. Oh, she has that outfit. Aha! Ow. No! Ah! No! God damn it. These bitches ain't bitching around. Or are you Revan Yuki? Yay, sexy Davids. Woo! Yes, yes. Did you want to open this? A map? God damn it.
Head
Ah!
on. Apply
Oh
directly
my
to
God.
the forehead. Head on. Apply directly to the forehead.
Hi, Ghoul. Thank you for the 50 biddies. How are you? Oh, that's a dead end. How are you doing, Ghoul? How's your weekend been? Ghoul, good. Getting ready for a class on your day off? Yeah, what kind of day off is that? That's bogus. That's bogan. Well, I hope you're able to get some fishing in today. Renato with the ramen hair. Whee! I did not. I didn't even know you were with us. Well, I did know you were with us because you were slapping our asses. I didn't see how he hit you. Who body blocked? I'm sorry. I was gonna say I was better at this with nails on, but that is not true. Haha! Okay. Wait, the person who DC'd is the one who body blocked you? Haha! Ouch! Aw, she got me. Yeah, we miss you, Tool. Did you give breakfast today? Uh-oh. I did not get breakfast. Karma, can you tell Ghoul that he needs to stop missing breakfast, the most important meal of the day? Oh, I did not see that I was in a corner. My bad. They got Miguel.
Well, they got Miguel. They got Miguel.
Renato with curly hair. Renato, oh my god, Vittorio with curly hair is wild. Also, Ghoul, I'm ending stream soon because I am developing a shitty headache. And I don't have my allergy test until October, which feels homophobic. Ghoul, I'm hoping this class doesn't last very long. I hope it doesn't either. Is it an online class or do you have to go somewhere? Exactly, you have creepy fishing to do. Did you ever find out if the download, oh my god, the demo is available to you? Damn, the spot's dodging hatchets. I'm sorry, no one. Cool, I'm gonna try it when I get back. Sounds good, sounds good. I think that's my last. Okie dokie. I'm sorry about the body blocking shenanigans. I think the next one will be my last. Who shirtless should be last? Why doesn't Gabriel have shirtless yet? Or does he and I just don't have it? Shirtless Adam when... Not the dazed Leatherface.
I'm tired of this, Grandpa.
That's too damn bad!
You keep digging.
Well, excuse me.
Well, excuse me. I hope you're still having a good night, Miss Mental. Good luck, y'all. Yum. Ooh, one of them's light. That's cool. Oh God, one of them's Legion. Oh God, oh God. Nutella Kitty. The person didn't mend. That's so funny. Coconut, bruh. Oh my god. Ghoul! I hope you flunked this class. How dare you? Thank you for the 50 biddies. Holy shit. I'm releasing fog because of a nice little goodbye scare. You're so funny. Thank you for the biddies and have a good class. I hope it is fast. What could they possibly teach you when you know everything? Also on the PTB, they added like lights to the gens. Like every piston had its own like circle LED light thingy. It's interesting. Well, I'll DM you if you're still around when I get done. Yes, please. Maybe we can at least get one day of fishing in. One day of fishing and I'm gonna get the heck is happening? Ah! Damn it! Stupid Legion. Oh my gosh, another one of those. Dinkies. Ah! I love that she didn't turn around that whole time. Oh, last gen. Holy shit. I hope they're not doing Haunted by Daylight again. I'm gonna try to go go to the one behind Shaq. Uh-oh. Oh no, she wants to kill me. And they got grabbed. That's funny. Ooh, Legion's lagging. Not coconut, bruh. Damn it. No, Ada, run. Uh-oh. No, she found me. Goodbye, cruel world. That was still a fun last game. GG's. Rebecca! No worries, no worries. Especially with the Legion, I didn't expect you to not get injured at least. But I'm glad y'all didn't get downed or anything for it. Thank you for hanging out, Senpai. And thank you again for the raid, Muggle. And Ghoul, I hope you have a lovely, quick class. I do stream tomorrow. That is my next stream. I hope to see some of you there. It might be DBD. It might be... I almost said Cabin in the Woods. Cabin Factory. Karma, thank you for the games. Of course, thank you for joining me. I appreciate it. Glad you're doing better now. I am too. It's much nicer, and I love feeling more like me. But have a good night. If you're still gaming with Monster, I hope y'all have good games. If you have a good night. And if I don't see you, I hope you have a good Sunday. Night night. Yeah, so hopefully I'll see some of you tomorrow. Other than that, just be kind to yourselves, give yourselves a break. I appreciate you all so much for supporting me and all of the things. Hi, Jem. How are you, my love? Jem, I'm good. How are you, my love? I'm sorry I missed your stream. No worries, no worries. There's always next time. It was a great night of games and stuff like that. We had good DBD tonight. A lot of huntresses, and a lot of them were very good with their aim. But I'm so glad to be back. I'm so glad to be feeling better and more like myself. I do stream tomorrow, so hopefully I'll see you there. And if I don't, I hope you have a beautiful rest of your weekend. I am gonna raid out. Yeah. Jem, I'll be in attendance tomorrow. I got sidetracked by homework. Don't worry, that's a lovely excuse to not be here. You gotta do the important things first. Thank you for hanging out, KJ. I hope your gaming is going well tonight. Okie dokie, y'all. See you tomorrow. I love you all. Be kind to yourselves. Give yourself a break. Bye. Bye.